This 2014 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds Super C33SW full wall slide, east-west king bed is a Super CRV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Thor motor coach is 34 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 6, external shower, self-contained, skylight, slide-out, air conditioning, TV, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features front entertainment, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2014 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds Super C33SW full wall slide, east-west king bed is built on a F550 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.